Hello everybody, we're having some awesome videos today. I will be showing you the take apart of two things. Basically, because we got to 50 subscribers, and I'm very happy actually. So, I'm very happy. So, we're going to be taking apart two things today. Vacuum receiver. Yeah. Let's get started. Alright, top has been taken off. And some other stuff. This is taking longer than I expected. It's like not easy to take apart. Not easy. Alright, so something might happen now. Like splitting it open in half. Split it open in half. Let's see what we do next. Okay, well I got too mad with it, so I decided to rip it apart. I completely bypassed all the screws, and that's it with that. So, this is basically the only thing we can and will get out of this, which is the motor. Very simple. Just two screws. Oh man, this is like a workout, pulling this apart. So many things, so many steps to take while taking this thing apart. I don't do steps. Yeah, that's what we were aiming for. All of that work just for a little tiny motor. So we can't control the speed on this because it's just one speed. But that's it for this. This is just connected to the outlet. It's got cool fans on here. I'll close this up for you. Are you seeing this well? Yeah. It's got a thick, well, not very thick, but it looks like it's a strong motor. So we can do some pretty good stuff with this. Anywho, we're gonna go on to the receiver. Okay, mind the mess, because I'm not gonna take the time to clean this up. There are, like, from what I can see, like 20 screws on the side of this. I'll be back with you in 1 second. Okay. I used a screw probably, for all these pins over here, there was one screw. That's like 57 pins. That's like 80 screws. I don't know. Like, it was too much to count. But anyway, after all trying to screw it, we finally got this off. And this is just a masterpiece. Honestly, this is my work of art. Are you guys getting this? Yes, you are. This is just unbelievable. A transformer, a cooling device, and a ton of motherboards and circuit boards. Oh man, like honestly, this is what I've been waiting for so long. So we're gonna unplug this. Give you guys a better view, not to be in your way. Oh, there's gonna be a lot of unplugging too, and wire cutting. Alright, and we can get our first board out. Right now. Cool. That's one. This isn't a plug, but we're going to cut this off too. Because we don't need wires. This is not a plug either. Boom, 2 plugs. Then we can take this off. Nope, one more screw. Oh my god. They're so tight on here, like it's so annoying. There. This looks cool, but there's no need for it. We gotta get things out of here. Then we can just start unplugging. If I'm not incorrect, which looks like I am. Got this. This. One second. Alright, much more has been done. What's cool about this is they're black from one side. I haven't seen many black boards. The only ones I've seen is from an iPhone 4. But, cool. That's another one. Here's another one of these with a sheet of metal on the back. More plugs. There's another one with more plugs. Cool. Here's another one with more plugs. So now we're aiming for, whoa. It sounds like it sounds at a haunted carnival. I don't know. We'll see what we'll get out next. So anyway, we've gotten this neat, this longboard, this, and this, and this. We're going to get whatever out next. Hopefully, I'm trying to get the transformer out, but that takes a bit of time. And so is this heat sink. So, one second. Alright. We got it. Okay, now we gotta get all these wires cut. I'm not even kidding. This transformer brings like 25% of all this thing's weight is just a transformer. This is just straight up metal. Like this is like 5 pounds already. Maybe 7. Unbelievable. See, I might get a scale in here to show you what it's in kilograms. So. Yeah, it's got its weight. So, now there's just a couple things left. This, and we're done. Alright, getting the heatsink out was not a problem. Just kidding. It took way longer than I thought, but I got it out. It's just straight up aluminum. It sounds like a horror story. Sounds very odd. Here's the motherboard that came with it. Bunch of things with it. Here's another one. So yeah, this part, and we're done. Okay, we got this part, and we got this part. Digital. I'm gonna pull this out. We're done. Guys, look at this. You know, no matter how messy your room is or how much junk you have, if it helps you creating, keep it the way it is. Honestly, it doesn't matter. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. It helps. Thank you for getting me to 50 subscribers. And as always, you'll see me in the next video. Bye-bye.